like rain that's falling towards the sky, like shadows in the night. Oh, what a funny life. And you think you know me well, so much better than I know myself. So can you tell me why? Oh, why can't I figure out this puzzle in my mind?
The rain is on the window, the lights are in the sky. My dear, we have to leave before the floor is where we lie. The driver's in the car, he'll take us to a bar that be so dark that we forget just who we are. I've rented out our past, I'm buying up our future. Used to look for new beginnings when you're out buying a toothbrush. The world stopped spinning, the kids stopped grinning, and the priest at the local church, he stopped sinning. With all these children, parents unaware, worried about their grades and having financial scares, and probably could never bear what the kids have. When the world's gone, it won't help to have a rich dad. I'm just saying, people had it twisted. Now the world's ending, we all seeing what we missed it. Do I think about myself now or think about you? Or shall I wait to the side until I see what you choose? It's like
rain that's falling towards the sky, like shadows in the night. Oh, what a funny life. And you think you know me well, so much better than I know myself. So can you tell me why? Oh, figure out this puzzle in my mind.
Smoke your cigarettes and hide behind your silhouette. I knew you had another man, knew I should've left. It's something I regret too, things that you slept through, nights where I found girls, never ever let you in my mind. All the things that we gon' leave behind. I finally can see the light and know your games, burn the pictures. I'd rather look at empty picture frames, but that one, but don't burn that one, nah. Just look at us laughing, it's like everything's backwards. We put a hole in the mattress, pull down the walls and the rafters. And even in the evilest weather, we always find a way to put the pieces together like rain
that's falling towards the sky, like shadows in the